Matata ya mwasi na mobali ekosilate, that the troubles between a man and a woman will never end in this world. This is a 1976 composition of Franco Luambo Makiadi with his orchestra TP Jazz, and of course it had a very rich vocal lineup in this song. Of course, there was Joski Kiabukuta, there was Utamai, Sam Mangwana, Michelle Boibanda, and then of course Franco Luambo Makiadi himself is the lead vocalist. Now generally this song talks about the conflicts between men and women, and the fact that this conflict will never end, that even in marriages we have a husband and his wife still having conflict, still having differences between them. Oh Nasalinini, so what have I done? Senzela mwana moninga uzinga ina pasi. So just try to calm me down, because you really struggled to get me. Batelangana tango ya likambo. So take care of me every time there's an issue. Bondelangai soki na siliki, you know, beg me, calm me down if you find that I'm annoyed. Mwasi alingaka presence ya mobali, that a woman just likes the presence of a man. Oh, tokabola forte. So let us share the blame. Mabe ebandina yo mpenangai. That this bad thing, it began with you, but it also began with me. So let us all take responsibility. Let us share the blame as to why this problem happened. Lokola bato baebi toluka equilibre, and just the way people know, we need to strike a balance. Senzela mwana ya bato, so you need to calm down somebody's child. Bondela mwana ya bato, you need to beg somebody's child. You need just to calm down and you know, talk nicely to your spouse, for that matter. Oh Nasalini, what have I done? It says the same things. Senzela mwana moninga uzinga ina pasi. Batelanga ina kambo na tango ya likambo. So take care of me every time there's an issue. Bondelanga isoki na siliki, you know, beg me if I'm annoyed. Calm me down if I'm annoyed. Yes, mwasi alingaka presence ya mobali, that a woman just likes the presence of a man. Says the same thing, oh tokabola forte. So let us share the blame. Mabe ebandina yo mpenangai. So this issue, this problem began with you, but also with me. Lokola bato baebi itoluka equilibre, and just the way people know, let us strike a balance. Senzela mwana ya bato, you need to beg and you know, calm down somebody's child. Bondela mwana ya bato, so beg and just calm down somebody's child. Then of course the song transitions to the next verse. Matata ya mwasi na mobali esilaka na mokili. The problems between a man and a woman will never end in this world. Likambo nini nzambe osala biso mobali tosalelaka basi. What is this thing, God, that you created, that it is us men that always work for women? Bango baliaka balataka. For them, they eat and they dress. Biso mbula mobimba pantalo moko na nzoto. And for us men, the whole year, we only have one trouser. We only put on one trouser. Of course, that is now Franco Lambo Makiadi himself, that is the lead vocalist and also the composer of the song. Matata ya mwasi na mobali esilaka na mokili. The issues, the problems between a man and a woman will never really end in this world. Mama abotingai mwasi. My mother gave birth to me and she's a woman. Oyo akonyokolongai mwasi. The one that will disturb me is a woman. Nzambe apesingai etumbu nabotaka basi, and God again gave me this punishment that I give birth to female children, to girls for that matter. Banyokolo bana ya batu. And these women that have given birth to these daughters of mine are again going to make people's children to suffer. I don't know if Franco had a vendetta against women with this particular song. Nayoka motema pasi. So it really hurts my heart. I really feel very hurt. It gives me a lot of, it gives me a heartache, more or less. Matata ya mwasi na mobali esilaka na mokili mama. Mama. Oh mama, mama, mama. Oh mama. Soki abimi azongi kotuna epai autite. Soki abimi azongi kotuna epai autite. If this man left and he has come back, don't ask him where he was or where he has come from. Soki okendeki kotrete bafer olingi olia opema. If you had gone out there, to solve issues, you have come back. You want to eat and rest. Akomi kotunayo. The woman, your wife, starts asking you, Outi wapi? Where have you come from? Ozalaki wapi? Outi wapi? Where were you? Where have you come from? Balobaki boy. That, they said this and then they said that. So that's now your wife asking you when you've come back to the house. So that's actually what Franco is saying. Mwasi inabala na mosolo. A woman that I married with my money and I paid dowry. Nani apesi authorization atuna ngai epai na uti bandeko. Who has given her the authority to ask me where I have come from? Brethren. Matata ya mwasi na mobali esilaka na mokili mama. Mama. Oh mama, mama. Mama. Oh mama. Likambonini Adam olata kandambo ya liputa Eve akosakayo. And Adam, what is this that you did to us? That where Eve lied to you, and so you put on half of a clothing, you know. Why did you accept Eve to lie to you, so that now you realize that of course you are naked, and then you are now just trying to cover part of your body? So ndambo is half. Bisotomona kabwale. So we really suffer. Matata ya mwasi na mobali esilaka na mokili mama. Mama. Oh mama, mama. Mama. Oh mama. Oh oleka our pasi. If you pass here, it is pain, it is difficult, it's a problem. Oleka kuna matata, and if you pass the other side, you still have trouble and issues. Bino basi bandeko. You women. Bino nde boko boto biso. You are the ones that give birth to us. Bino boko boko lo biso. You are the ones that raise us. Bino boko boko bala biso. You are the people that get married to us. Bino moko boko nyoko lo biso. And you are the same people that make us suffer. You are the same people that mistreat us. Toko sala nini bandeko. So what do we do? Obala na mobali, matata mikolo nyoso bandeko. You get married to your husband, but trouble every single day. Mpona nini boy? Why is it the case? Matata ya mwasi na mobali esilaka na mokili mama. Mama. Oh mama, mama. Mama. Oh mama. Lekambonini nzambe osala biso mibali. What is this issue, God, that you created us as men? Biso to sala kabasi. We work for women. Bango baliaka balataka. For them, they eat and they dress. Bisombula mobimba pantalo moko na nzoto. And for us men, the whole year, we only have one trouser that we wear from the beginning to the end of the year. It just points to the sacrifice that men make. I think that's what Franco is just trying to say here. Silatela mokili mama, mama. Oh mama, mama. Oh mama. Mwasi akoki koloba nayo. Your wife can talk to you. Azali na mpasi that she's feeling pain. Yo osilisi mbongo bandeko na medikamana ba pharmacy, and so you are going to finish your money on medication and or in pharmacies buying of course medicine. Nzoka azali kokosa yo, and yet she is lying to you. Ayebi sekele na yebandeko. She knows her secret. Hey Franco, what had happened to Franco? Matata ya mwasi na mobali esilaka na mokili mama. Mama. Matata ya mwasi na mobali esila tena mukili. The issues, the problems between a man and a woman will never end in this world. Oh, mama. And then of course the song gets into 7. So basically that is the lyrics, that is the translation of the song Matata ya mwasi na mobali esila te. The issues, the problems between a man and a woman, or a man and his wife, will never really end in this world. If you're watching this channel for the first time, kindly hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button, leave me a comment, a request, and share this video. Thank you very much for watching.